Hey guys, Doug here with Infotainment.com. Just picked up a 2016 Mustang GT. We got a lot of things we want to do to this car. Some of our exciting upgrades. We're going to do a full custom cat skin interior. That's leather seating. This particular vehicle has the small lame 4-inch display. We're going to upgrade that to the Sync 3 with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. We're also going to add satellite radio, factory satellite radio, and HD radio capability to this vehicle. One new upgrade that we're carrying now is the full digital cluster. So stay tuned for that. We'll get that listed here shortly. But a lot of exciting upgrades coming to this Mustang GT. All of our upgrades work in not only the GT, but also the base models and the GT 350s. So stay tuned.